Hey everyone, Dave Cook, DeFranco, painting and wallpaper. So we're doing some touch-ups, actually repairs for another company that installed some graphics. One thing I wanted to make sure I kind of illustrated was when people talk about why you want a level 5 finish for graphics and why you need it or why it's spec'd, and then what to look for on the wall. So here is a very smooth digital graphic, and you can see right there is an indentation from the drywall. And as you walk along, you kind of see a little bit of a mark there from drywall. And as you go, you'll see more and more drywall imperfections on the wall. So it's really important when you're trying to find those. There was a couple patches up there that kind of came through too. But as you go through and look at the wall, you'll see everything that's under the wall comes straight through, and you see it on the front of the graphic. And you might not see it right here, but as soon as you come walking down the side of the aisle, you see it. So you have to make sure when you're doing level 5, when you're inspecting it, what you're looking for. You want to make sure there's no of these types of bumps. So pole sanding takes rid of a lot of that. Some of it could be drywall, but pole sanding is a big one. See, well, it's not showing through camera, but right here we got nail pops when they did the drywall. So the stuff that wasn't fixed. It's too late now, but it's one of those things where you really want to pay attention to the wall, the surface of everything that you can see, because it comes through in the end. So level 5 finish, make sure you're pole sanding before you install, so that all these little nubs, all these little high parts are gone. Some of it could be glue, but more times than not, it's because of the wall, little imperfections on there. When the primer is rolled, fuzzies from the roller, all that stuff gets on there. So again, take the time, inspect your walls, look for these little areas. If they need to be fixed, fix them before you start installing. Pole sand the wall, dust the wall with something to get rid of the dust, and that gets rid of all those little nubs too. If you have questions about wallpaper installation, graphics, or wall problems and how to fix them, definitely give us a call. DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in.